Welcome back, graduates. Today I'm going to show you how to add a little caption right above your heading. Now, this is a really powerful way to entice your customers, just telling them, hey, it benefits this, or it solves this right underneath the heading, and it's a short little text, or it can be a long text. But usually it's a short text that just, helps state what the product is, or the functionality, or the benefit of that product. And it'll look something like this. So under the heading, it'll have a subtitle that just says, it's a cold brew day. So I'm going to show you today how to add this to your theme at no cost, and hopefully this helps increase conversions. Let's get right into it.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go! So what you're going to do is you're going to go into the back end of your Shopify store. Right over here, and I have it on this theme, so I'll show you on a theme that doesn't have it right now. So what you're going to do is this is going to be handled through meta fields, product meta fields. And what you're going to do is go into the settings right over here. You're going to go into meta fields and click on products, and then you already notice how I created it. So it's going to be under subtitles, and the reason why it's subtitles instead of subtitle is because there are other things in the code that recognizes as subtitle, so you want to differentiate, so I added an S to it. So you can name it anything, captions, subtitles, however you want, and then custom subtitles. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add it as a single line. So I'm going to get you started. So add definition, so these are the steps. So I would do caption, and then it's going to be custom.caption, and then I'm going to select a type, and it's going to be a single line, and that's all I'm going to have to do. I don't need to do a list of values or a limit, text limit or a character limit, and that's what I would have to do. So I'm going to close out of that. Now I have my subtitles right here. Close out of it, and then I'm going to go into my products here, and you'll notice once you create the meta fields that going into your products, you'll see at the very bottom of every product page a meta field option that you just created. So I just created the subtitle. It's a cold brew day. And you have this on every product. However, if the meta field is not filled in, it's not going to show. So it's a cold brew day, and I added this here. Now I'm going to show you how to add this into the theme. So I don't have it on, I have it on the live theme, but let's do, for example, this one. And I'm going to go into my edit code. What you're going to look for is the main hyphen product. So I'm going to look for main product, and in the search, I'm going to find main product. Now in this, you can really place it anywhere, but people, recognize it more just under the heading. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for this product, this code right here, when price. And when it says this, I'm going to add it right above the ending div of this. And I'm going to add this code right here. And this will be available down below, so you can grab it as well. And then I'm just going to save. So now what it's basically saying is it's saying grab that product meta field that's custom subtitles and then show the subtitles. And if it doesn't have any content, just leave it blank. So now I'm in this product, and I'm going to go and preview my store, and I have to give Shopify a bit to update. But it's going to be under cold brew bottle. So the cold brew bottle. I guess I'll do cold brew. And there we go. It's a cold brew day. And we also have the beautiful color swatches. If you haven't gotten that, get it out. Awesome. And then the stock bar indicator as well here. But that's how it is, and you can have emojis with it. You can make it fun, you can make it professional looking, add exclamation mark, but that's really it. So the code is going to be down below, available for you. Please watch this tutorial. Please like, share, subscribe, And if you have any comments or questions, just email us at hello@ecomgraduates.com and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.